cmd. How will it work now? So your coding your eyes are very important. If not, bugs will give you mood swing. Okay, and activate the environment. Good. Document is good though. So in fact, everybody share your screen. Say everybody share your screen. Everybody share your screen. Oh yeah. Oh no. Will it affect some things? Okay, let's see. Please share your screen. Please share your screen. Let me see if it affect anything. Let me see you guys what you ask right now. Jesus, what is this one? Frank. No, Frank, show me your and this angle bracket close greater than sign. They require requirements. Now it's requirements. requirements.txt. Now it's plural. This is to move packages to requirement.txt. Okay, let's do that. Do that now. Copy it and paste now the code and enter. Now it gives us the file that's done. See it created down here. Require see it here. Now have it Django here now. Good. Okay. That's first step. So we've done that. Now let's now run the see if that is working. Our Django projects. That's how we run Django projects. Run by saying Python. This one is a constant command. Python manage manage.py run server. This is to run your localhost server. To run your server localhost. Let's see if it will run first of all. No file found yet. Going to now install. So now remember we are working on a project PPA website. Let's view our website itself. We have here. Okay, that will start on. So now we already have the PPA's front end. Yeah, we're going to do the back end. First thing first, we'll create a project. We'll call the project PPA in Django. So now in Django, so create a project in Django. So in Django, how do you create a project? Let me give you the command here. We'll do by saying that two way, but easier way of doing that is by doing. So we'll say Django -admin start project. So let's see. Start project. Name of it is called PPA. So Django -admin start project PPA. We'll paste it there, and let's see. This is to create projects in PPA. Now, so now we have the Django here now. So that's now here, correct. So now, normally in Django, we put all our front-end folders code inside the folder called templates. So let's move all. You can do it probably in your normal file explorer. Move all this. Let's refresh. Remove all the projects exempting PPA and VMV in the folder. Call the folder templates. Just call the folder. You can use your bash folder mkdir, make directory mkdir, then templates. Create a folder, templates, then enter. Is created. This code is to create a template. This is to create a template. So mk means make directory. So it's to create, is to make a folder. You can see me, Frank. Okay, let me start sharing. Let me just share again. So let me disconnect. Stop sharing. And share again. Okay, let me share again my entire screen too. Okay. Can you see me, Frank? I think I have to refresh again. Refresh your browser. Or log out, log in again. So from your. Can you see me, Jubilee? What up, Frank? What about us? Alright, so set it. Okay, so let's. So now we have the folder called here. Now template, refresh and see it here. So just Ctrl A to highlight all. Then hold down the Ctrl key and just deselect templates, deselect VNV, deselect PPA, deselect new folder. Then Ctrl X cut, click on templates, open it and paste it there. Right, then I did to save time. Let me do it again. If you followed me, okay, let me undo. So first follow me. Including your eyes are very important. Let's do it again. Now use Ctrl A, select all. Then I want to not select template folder VNV PPA. So now hold down your Ctrl key down and click on VNV, select it. Click on template, select it. Click on PPA, select it. Click on in folder. Then just we only want the other ones that are there. Then Ctrl X cut. Then go to your PPA folder. No, sorry, your PPA folder. Template folder. Template folder. And paste it there. Right, now it's now clean now. Alright, go back to our code. Good. It's now clean. So now let's now. Okay, there's an issue here. Go back to File Explorer. Now move the VNV into the PPS folder. Move it there. Oh no. I think I made a mistake. Oh, the easiest way. The easiest way is by move the templates to PPS folder. This thing folder here is empty. It shouldn't be here. Delete it. Delete this one. Okay, so now let's delete this. Okay, VNV. Let's delete it. We'll do it again. Because once VNV folder is moved to VNV, it loses its value. I want to just only use this PPA project, not only the other one. So I would cut out this PPA from here, put it in a temporary place, like now for my storage. Put it here for now. But in the meantime, come back to my code, to my PPA project folder. Delete it from here. Delete this. Okay, so open my VS Code. Close it down. Try again. Yes. I gotta go now. Okay. Now back to my. Come here. Cut out this one again and paste it down here. Okay. Then open your VS Code and VS Code again and import it. Just and import it again. I made a mistake. Forgive me for that. Okay. So why is coming up there? Just not twice. You want once, not twice. You want one. Okay. Another one this. So let's go again and import home folder. PPA should be down. Select folder. And again Ctrl J again. Okay. Now, okay, we copy some things, so let's remove from this template folder. This is like command.txt shouldn't be there, and this text folder by requirement.txt. Just can either you copy it out or like drag it like this to this place and leave it here. Move it to the. It shouldn't be instead of template folder. It should be here. Then let's open our Git Bash, and again install your environment quickly. Do that. Okay, now why? Yes. Let me see if it's ls. Should be at the ls. Are we in that place? Okay, yeah, yeah. So undo. Paste this one there. Then enter. You want to remember it? No. Okay, you're still going. Move to the right hand side of my screen. Alignments, position, right. Okay, should be here. That is done. Should be next. Turn it on. Once we've done that, yes, then turn it on. Activate it. Okay, well, we've done that. Do a pip upgrade. So that now remember we have these pip comments in this comment file. Let's now do a random. Let's activate, install everything that is here. It's by coming to how do you install the whole package in this comment file. Call the name first. You just say pip, then install r. -r, then requirement of the txt file, part name of the file. It is to install all the packages libraries in this file here. So it's to install all packages in index.txt. Copy this again and okay, sorry, our come here, copy this and paste it here and installed now. To be installed. Once that is done, we'll take a break. Let's see that Django runs. Then we'll stop there and continue after the break. So it's now installing for us. The ASGF came first with the Django, with the SQL pass, with the task data. Okay. And all this are stored inside of this VMD folder, I remember. Okay, so that is done. We then run this command to see if our Django will run. It runs, we'll pause there. After the break, continue by 120. I just see that it runs successfully. And we are good to go. It's not really a light file. It's not really much in file size. Just do that and